If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're not new, welcome back. I thought I'd come to you with a glass of a new wine that I have not reviewed yet. And it's called BV Rutherford Reserve Cabernet Sauvignon. It's a 2018. And I thought, you know what, why not create a video and let you know what I think on this wine on this rainy day. Cheers. Notes. I took a few notes today and I'm going to just take a look at this and see what the winemaker notes say. It says that this inaugural 2018 Rutherford Reserve Cabernet opens with expressively perfumed bouquet of exuberant dark berry fruits, black forest cake, and creme de cassis, florals of violet and rose petal, and lifted baking spice. Notes from the well-integrated oak barrel character. That's new. Creme de cassis, chocolate, black forest cake. And it also says on the palate, juicy saturated black cherry and macerated red raspberry, supported by darker hints of espresso, mocha, and bittersweet chocolate. That all sounds fabulous. Let's see when I taste it if I can taste any of that inside. The structured Rutherford Dust tannins are grippy and plush. Grippy? Okay, I've reviewed lots of wines. I have yet to hear one described as grippy and plush. Sounds like kind of a plushy stuffed animal. With signature cocoa powder texture and expansive mouthfeel, rich with depth and balance, leading to a velvety smooth and persistent finish. Holy smokes. This is probably one of the most descriptive tasty notes I think I've relayed to you people on this channel. And this is a whole lot of stuff that I should be tasting and smelling from the dark berry fruits. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a taste of this and see if I can hopefully maybe detect maybe 2 or 3 of like that huge long laundry list of things that I should taste in this glass. Bottoms up, here we go. Let's take a look at this color. As you can see, it's an extremely dark garnet, really dark. You get a real nice close-up of this wine. It's gorgeous. The wine definitely coats up the glass well when tipped and leaves slow falling legs on the inside of the glass. Nice. Anyway, who cares? Let's drink it. Okay, so before I take my first taste, the aroma is flipping amazing. Oh my God. This is so yummy. I'm gonna taste this. I can't wait. This is gonna be so good. This probably has the best aroma. Probably going back to Castel de Amorosa. Amazing aroma, amazing to the nose. This is right up there. It's one of those that you just wanna smell more than you wanna drink. But in any case, here we go. Floral, right out of the gate. Floral. Let's see. Floral, black cherry, spice. Let me see if I can detect. What did they say I should detect? Chocolate black forest cake. Let's see if I can detect that. Oh my gosh, this is aromatically amazing. This is a definite buy. I recommend this one, 100%. I believe the price is around $80 for this bottle, 75, 80, maybe a little bit more. It's kind of one of the pricier bottles. I've had a few pricey bottles that were okay. They were really good. They weren't like terrible, but they were really good. This one is actually probably, I'd give this one definitely a 10, maybe even an 11 on a scale of 1 to 10. I'd bump it up a point. Let me give it another taste and go around, see if I can taste the bittersweet chocolate. Oh my God, this knocks your socks off. This is so good. I am so glad that I decided to open this bottle of BV, and none other than using my Coravan to make sure that there's not a whole lot of oxygen that can get in and any that can get out. I love this device. We do have to constantly buy the little, there are these little tiny cases that you have to buy. They're kind of pricey, but it's definitely worth it, because if you want to keep your wine fresh and you want a great glass each time you pour, definitely you want to invest in one of these babies for sure. So for all my returning subscribers and all my new viewers, it's that time where I'm going to share a little bit of history about, I'm going to probably butcher the name, but I think it's Beaulieu Vineyards. Let's just stick to calling it BV Vineyards for the sake of this video. So sit back, relax, cheers, enjoy. It all started in 1883 when Georges de Latour traveled from his native France to California. This well-educated chemist, who was also refined in the arts and spoke fluent Greek and Latin, continued with his profession as a chemist and executed at Stouffer Chemical Company. He would soon, however, follow his true passion for winemaking. When the new century had yet to begin in 1899, the Frenchman began to implement his dreams by producing world-class wines. Georges de Latour spent several years analyzing the soils and microclimates of California, specifically in the Napa Valley. Before he purchased his first parcel of agricultural land for its unique terroir, he decided to surprise his wife Fernande with a stunning piece of land. When she saw the property, she exclaimed, "Que beau! What a beautiful place!" And thus this remarkable secluded estate in Rutherford had a name. Following their European roots, the family created amazing gardens with the assistance of the world-renowned landscape architect Thomas D. Church. This talented consultant advised them of the dozen and implemented of roughly a dozen acres of beautiful landscaping. Over the decades, Beaulieu continued to expand its vineyard acreage, adding depth to its wine varietals. In 1936, de Latour and his son-in-law, the Marquis de Pins, returned to France and sought a world-class winemaker who understood the high standards of French refined winemaking. They discovered and hired André Tchelistcheff, who came to this country with an amazing degree of knowledge in European viticulture and enology. The de Latour de Pins and André committed to produce artisan skilled wines, which were showcased in the European and brought prominence to Beaulieu and the Napa Valley. Okay people, thanks for watching this video. If you try this wine, let me know what you think as usual. And please, if there's something that you'd like to see me review, let me know in the comments below. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also gong that bell so you can be notified of my next video. Cheers, and here's to tasting wine.